Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I will discuss about LifterLMS coupon. So on checkout, student can see that they can use a custom coupon. So to creating a custom coupon, first we have to visit our WordPress dashboard, then orders and coupons. We have to click on add coupon. And now we can add the coupon title, or you can say the coupon code. So I will say like hello. Then we have these discount types. So you can select a discount types. We have percentage discount and dollar discount. So I will select percentage discount. Then you can select a specific access plan types, which type of access plan this coupon can be used to it. You can select any access plan. That means if you have a recurring access plan or one time access plan, everything will work for it. Or you can choose any specific access plan type. So I will choose any access plan. Then you can add coupon amount. So I will add 50. Then we have option enable trial pricing discount. So as you know, LifterLMS have access plan. Trial in LifterLMS access plan have a trial options. So you can offer free and paid trial access to your courses and memberships. Trials have their own price point and time period. So if you have a paid trial and you like to provide someone a discount coupon, that time you can use this option. So that means the amount you will add here, that will work for the trial options. So I don't want that. So I'll not select it. Then we have restrictions. So in restrictions, we can choose specific courses. That means you can limit coupon to the following courses. So I want literal and quick start course here. That means only my LifterLMS Quick Start course user will be able to use this coupon. So you can do the same thing for memberships, but I'm leaving this as it is. You can set coupon expiration date. So I'll select this one. Then you can select the users limit, the coupon of the amount of times this coupon can be used. So if I select one, that means this coupon can be used for one times. So I'm selecting for unlimited users. So now we have also description. So I'm leaving this as it is. You can add some descriptions here. So I'll publish it. And now I'll show you that how it works for the student. So if I visit my checkout page again, and you can see the course price is $200. And if I click on here, I'll be able to use the coupon. And if I click apply coupon, it will deduct 50%. So this is how your user can use the coupon. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.